The smartphone world is buzzing with excitement as leaks reveal the upcoming iQOO Neo 11 series. If the rumors are true, this could be one of the most powerful mid-premium smartphones of 2025. Let's dive into the major upgrades that make the Neo 11 series a potential game-changer. The iQOO Neo 11 and Neo 11 Pro are expected to feature a 2K flat display, a significant upgrade from the 1.5K screens of previous models. This means sharper visuals, richer colors, and an immersive viewing experience for gaming and streaming. Battery life is about to get a serious boost. The Neo 11 lineup is rumored to pack a battery exceeding 7,000 mAh, making it one of the largest in its segment. Pair that with 100-watt fast charging, and you'll have a device that powers up in minutes and lasts all day. Say goodbye to slow unlocking. The Neo 11 series is expected to feature a 3D ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, offering faster and more accurate recognition compared to traditional in-display optical sensors. Unlike previous Neo series models that use plastic frames, the Neo 11 series is rumored to come with a metal middle frame, making it more durable and premium in hand. The Neo 11 series will be the successor to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 powered Neo 10 and the Dimensity 9400 powered Neo 10 Pro. The Neo 11 is expected to feature the new Snapdragon 8 Elite, while the Neo 11 Pro may come with MediaTek's Dimensity 9500. These chipsets will offer next-level performance for gaming, multitasking, and AI-powered features. Leaks suggest that the Neo 11 and Neo 11 Pro could launch by late 2025, making them one of the most anticipated smartphone releases of the year. With its stunning 2K display, ultra-fast charging, massive battery, and premium design, the iQOO Neo 11 series has the potential to shake up the smartphone market. If these leaks turn out to be true, would you consider buying the iQOO Neo 11 or Neo 11 Pro? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates.